god. Oh. Drama. Oh no.
My camera is alive.
Alright, after some, see the past 3-4 days, however many days it's been so far, definitely in some kind of a caloric restriction right now. So today is going to be a refeed day. Ready to go. About 24 hours since we've last eaten, so this is gonna be a huge meal. Maybe we might even go to like a raw vegan place after this and get like some kind of healthy dessert. Treat ourselves today. So I couldn't wait. I just had to jump in. Tablespoon. Tempeh, cucumbers, salad, and then some tofu with tempeh and tomato sauce up there. Second meal. Our second dish, I should say. Tempeh, tofu, like barbecue tempeh, tofu, jackfruit, mashed sweet potatoes, mashed regular potatoes, some corn. This is like a barbecue jackfruit. So good.
Where did you bring me to? Why? Why'd you do so to me?
This is gonna be the last dish. What do you think?
I think this stuff is amazing.
What's that?
I don't know, it's tofu and some spices. And also I like this curry tofu. Well, everything tofu with some spices, the best choice.
Yeah. It's important to treat yourself every once in a while. Don't go off the rails too much. Find something that works for you, is consistent, something that you can manage. Whether it's intermittent fasting, some kind of caloric restriction, on like a 5-2 split. Most importantly though, just eat minimally processed fresh foods as much as possible. You could just start there and you'll be a lot better off, guaranteed. Made it. Had to jump over some shit, but we are not swimming there. Raw vegan carrot cake, raw vegan halva. This guy's got his chocolate cacao drink, got some kind of ice cream. This is banana, chocolate chips, cinnamon and vanilla. Here at Alchemy. It's a beautiful space. Everything is good. Except we got no sugar in anything. I don't know, probably not as flavorful as it could be. Yeah, that's what we're starting to realize, is that everything that we've been eating today is stuff we could have just made at home. Probably could have made it at home, been healthier, cheaper, but what can you do? It's all about enjoying yourself. Live a life of abundance. Support your local places. Don't think twice about it.